Welcome back everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be making a peanut butter pie. I've made this for you a couple times and I'm sure you all have made peanut butter pie. But today's going to be a special one. The day you're seeing this, Monday, will be Doug's birthday. Doug's mom and dad treated us to Mike's Barbecue. It's a hometown barbecue restaurant and it's really good. That was for Doug's birthday. We ate cake, but I always make him a peanut butter pie for his birthday, so we're going to make that. And I hope if you haven't tried it, you'll try it. It's real good. So let's get started. Okay, this is an easy recipe. You'll just need 1 graham cracker crust, 1 8-ounce container of Cool Whip, or you can make your own, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 package of cream cheese, and 1 cup of powdered sugar. First off, we're going to mix up our cream cheese and powdered sugar. Get them in there. I just cut it in little chunks. We'll probably mix this a couple minutes. When it's done, I'll be back. Okay. Now we're just going to add the peanut butter. This would be a really good pie for Thanksgiving. You could even make this ahead of time and freeze it. Really quick, easy pie. Let's mix that up. Okay, I'm going to scrape down the sides a little bit. Just make sure everything gets all mixed up. Sorry guys, didn't mean to rock you. Okay, let's finish mixing that up. Now we're going to add the Cool Whip or whipped cream. And you can fold this in, but I always just mix it with the mixer. It turns out just fine. I just mix it on slow. We'll be back when that gets mixed up. You'll need to scrape your bowl about a couple times. Okay, scrape this. Make sure it's all mixed together. Now we'll put it in our pie shell. Okay, now we'll just stick this in the pie here, or the pie plate crust. Now, you want to chill this in the refrigerator till it's kind of set up better. I don't know if Doug want to bust in this tonight or wait till his birthday tomorrow. When you see this, he'll be, as he says it, he'll be turning double nickels. Okay, I'm going to put a lid on this and stick it in the refrigerator, and we'll be back when he gives it a taste. Okay, here it is all plated up. Doug, Daniel, you know what it tastes like, but see if this one turned out.
Delicious.
Good enough for your birthday?
Mm-hmm. Yummy.
All right. Well, I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Holmans Homestead where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee.